Hi, welcome to Maree. My name's Sue. I like sharing tips on how to do alternative things with baking. Recently, I shared a short video on my 5 tips on how to bake without using eggs. Today, I thought it might be helpful to share one of my most popular recipes, my Spelt banana muffins, but I'm not going to put the eggs in today. I'm going to put in some yogurt instead. So let's get mixing. So in the first bowl, I'm going to put in my spelt flour. Today I've just got white spelt flour. You could use whole grain. I've run out of whole grain. That's 150 grams or 1 cup. A little addition to my original recipe, I'm using 3 tablespoons of oats, half a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder, or bicarb soda. And in here I've got 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix those together. In my second bowl, I've got 4 bananas that were in the freezer, and I love it when they're in the freezer because they're really easy just to squish out. You don't really have to mash them too much. So I'm just going to pop them into the bowl. Just going to mash them with this fork. But because they've been in the freezer, they're quite squishy. Next I have 120 grams of white sugar, or half a cup. You can use brown sugar. I've got some sunflower oil, 60 mils or 1/4 cup. You can use any type of oil. You can use a melted butter if you're trying to do vegan, use a vegan butter. And in here I've got Greek yogurt because that's what I had in the fridge. You can use a vegan yogurt if that's important. And that's a 1/4 cup, which becomes, I think it's, yes, 70 grams. And you can do applesauce as another idea. Also, the flax egg, chia egg would also work. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the wet. Mix them with my spatula. Just mixing this until there's no flour that's visible. Now it's time to pop the muffin batter into the muffin tin. I've just prepared my tray here with 12 paper cases. We may only make 10, depending on how big I feel like doing them today. I've got my 1/4 cup scoop, so I'm just going to scoop that out and pop it into the paper. Before I started filming, I've preheated my oven to 170 degrees C with a fan, and I'll pop the other temperatures above as usual. So I'm just going to scoop this out. I'm just going to fill up 10 today because I've made them quite full. Now we're ready to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until they're cooked on the inside and golden brown. My muffins are all baked. They smell delicious. I'm going to wait till they're completely cooled down before I cut into it, and I'll pop a photo up above so you can see what they look like on the inside. Let me know if you give this recipe a go and what you think of it. And I'll pop some links to some other spelt recipes above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.